Your business address on Google is not just a detail for customers to find you. It is a core ranking signal that Google uses to decide where and how often to show your business in local searches. An incorrect or outdated address can quietly hurt your visibility and send the customers to the wrong location. I'm Olaf from MarketlyX, and address issues are something we check on every Google business profile we optimize, because even a small pin mismatch can affect how Google ranks your business and if your customers will find you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to edit the business address on your Google business profile correctly, and share the important things that you need to know before and after making the change. But before we start, one important thing to understand. Your address on Google should be exactly the same as it appears on your website, your social media profiles, and any other online directories. Google checks your address across the internet as a trust signal, so if it looks different in different places, it can weaken your profile's credibility in Google's eyes. So once you update it here, make sure you update it everywhere else as well. There is one more thing worth knowing before we start. Changing your address on Google may trigger a re-verification of your profile. This means Google may ask you to verify your business again at the new address before the changes go live. This is normal and nothing to worry about, but be prepared to do the verification as soon as possible. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and log into the Google account connected to your Google business profile. Once logged in, go to business.google.com. And at this stage you will see one of two things. If you land on a page showing a businesses tab, select the profile you want to manage. If you are taken directly to your business profile dashboard, you can continue. Once you are inside your profile dashboard, click on Edit Profile and scroll down until you see the Location and Areas section. Now click on the Business Location section and make sure the Show Business Address to Customers toggle is on. Now, as you can see, we have a small map here and a few address fields to fill out, but one field, the country/region field, is hidden. The reason is that Google does not allow a business profile to change between countries or regions. So when you are moving your business to a different country, you will unfortunately need to create a brand new profile. Next, if you are just moving cities or streets, you can leave the field as it is. Here, fill out the street address using the same format that appears on your official business documents and your marketing materials. Now in this example, below the address lines, we have the option to choose or add the emirate. Depending on which country or city you are in this place you might get other options like post town, city, or zip code. Make sure every detail here is very accurate. After filling out the address, Google will show you a map with a pin on your location. Check that the pin is placed accurately on your building. If it is not in the right position, click on Adjust and drag the pin to the correct location. To make it easier, you can also use the zoom in and zoom out feature to place the pin at your business's exact location. This step is more important than most people think. The map pin is what Google Maps uses to guide customers directly to your location. A pin that is placed on the wrong building or in the wrong part of the street can lead customers to the wrong place, which damages trust, can lead to negative reviews or revenue loss. If your business has a customer parking, we generally recommend placing the pin on your building but slightly toward the parking entrance. This helps customers find parking more easily and reach you faster. Once everything looks correct, click Save. And that's it. Now you will see a small notification box from Google saying that it might take a few minutes for the changes to be approved. It's very important that you let Google do its thing and avoid making additional changes until the notification box disappears. Making multiple changes while Google is processing updates is one of the most common mistakes businesses make. In some cases, it can lead to changes being rejected or the profile becoming unverified. However, it might still be that Google will ask you to verify your business again at the new address. Follow the verification steps Google provides carefully. Until verification is complete, your new address may not appear publicly on your profile. As you can see, editing your address is straightforward. The key is making sure the address is accurate, consistent with every other place your business appears online, and that your map pin is placed exactly where it should be. If you would like more guidance on optimizing or managing your profile, we have included useful resources, tools, and links in the description below. And if you would like expert help, you will find details on how to work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our Google Business Profile playlist for step-by-step tutorials that walk you through the entire process. See you soon.